When it's cold outside. And let's leave the singing to the actual singers. Hi guys, today I am making mushroom soup. Now the thing about mushroom is that it's a selfish veg and it demands to shine. So let that mushroom shine. So for this you're going to need celery sticks, onion, cream, but in this case I'm going to use milk. But do stay tuned to see how it's done. Right, so in here I've added the onion, garlic, 2 celery sticks, thyme, parsley, and I'm about to add in the onions. Look, you can add everything in at the same time. This is just a preference for me. And what is going to happen is I'm going to lightly fry these, and then I'm going to pop on the lid until it softens. And thereafter, I'm going to add about 1 liter of vegetable stock. So you can add vegetable or chicken stock.